This tourism landing page is designed as a minimal yet visually captivating interface that utilizes the Glassmorphism UI style, primarily to attract attention and create a modern, luxurious feel, which is ideal for tourism branding. The page is built using HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. The HTML document includes essential metadata for responsiveness and font rendering and contains a single card element that serves as the main visual focus. This card acts as an informational or promotional block on the homepage, often used to introduce a travel package, a brand slogan, or a call to action like Explore. The connection between HTML and CSS is achieved via class selectors. In HTML, class equals card assigns the element to a category, and in CSS, .card defines all style rules for that class. The .card container uses Raba to apply semi-transparent backgrounds and backdrop filter, blur, to create the frosted glass effect that defines glassmorphism. A logo image, card logo, is placed at the top of the card to represent the brand visually. Its CSS class styles it with a circular border and responsive sizing. Below the logo, the card title and card text classes control the font appearance and spacing of the heading and description, while .card button styles the interactive button with rounded edges, blur, hover effects, and transition animations for a smooth user experience. All elements inside the .card are centered using text-align, center and responsive units like rem for padding and font sizes. The hover pseudo-class is used in .card, hover and .card button, hover to create interactive scaling and background change effects when a cursor moves over the elements, mimicking dynamic feedback seen in modern applications. Additionally, JavaScript is used to enhance interactivity. When the user clicks the button, the script toggles the Alt Blur class on the card, which can be extended via CSS to change the blur intensity or other effects. Though the CSS class .alt blur is not defined here, it demonstrates intent. The overall purpose of this code is to provide a highly focused and branded landing module that introduces users to a travel website or destination offering in an elegant way. The background image, seashore, sets a thematic mood, suggesting relaxation and natural beauty, aligning with tourism goals. This kind of modular, glass-styled card can easily be expanded into a grid of offerings, like tour packages, or a hero section overlaying a video. In the broader context of a tourism website, such a design helps convert visitors into clients by presenting travel options or experiences in an aesthetically pleasing and interactive format. In conclusion, the synergy between HTML class attributes, CSS class rules, and JavaScript event handling allows developers to create flexible, reusable, and responsive components tailored for modern, high-impact landing pages in the travel and tourism industry.